Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're one of my very many 15 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my fridge. We have officially been living in this apartment for 1 year, and surprisingly, I've never cleaned the fridge. For some reason, when I think about cleaning my house, cleaning the fridge is never in my mind. So then we end up here with a disgusting fridge filled with eggnog from Christmas time and sweet tea from who knows when. This fridge was long overdue for a good cleaning. By the way, I cleaned the entire fridge using some Pledge multi-surface cleaner, which honestly, I don't even know if it's for the fridge, and I didn't even bother to look, but I figured, I don't know, it'll work, it'll do.
And I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a moon, my love. Yeah, when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the...
Okay, please tell me I'm not the only one who puts leftovers in the fridge thinking that one day you're gonna eat them and then you never do. I literally have like 3 containers of wonton soup from the Chinese restaurant, freaking a turkey burger, I don't even know, containers that were empty for some reason. There's no butter and no sour cream in those containers, and yet they're still in the fridge. Please tell me I'm not the only one who is like this.
Run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town.
Okay, so you're about to see a close-up of the bottom of my fridge. All that sticky brown stuff down there is Pepsi that spilled who knows how long ago, and I never got around to cleaning it. And then somehow freaking gnats ended up stuck and dead, all in the Pepsi. So disgusting.
Away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, man. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. Well, you never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink, or is she? Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City.
So after I cleaned all of the shelves to the fridge, I finally went in to tackle this Pepsi Nat disgusting mess. I started off just drenching it with the Pledge multi-surface cleaner, but that didn't really make it come off. So then I ended up using like a little razor, and it was too sticky for the razor to do anything. So I came back with the Brillo pad. I literally went back and forth using a Brillo pad and a razor trying to get all of it off. But it finally worked and the fridge is not disgusting anymore. So that's pretty much it for this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know when is the last time you cleaned your fridge. I hope I'm not the only one who waited a whole year before they finally got around to it. But you know what? My fridge looks 10 times brighter now that it's clean. So I'm happy that I finally did this. Definitely won't wait a year before cleaning it again. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more of my cleaning videos, and give this video a thumbs up if it gave you the cleaning motivation that you needed to get up and clean your fridge, especially if it looked as bad as mine did. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.